Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to online classes of DAV Sri Vishnu Vidyaniketan. So in previous class we have discussed about directions. So in this class let's see the directions and its corners. In this picture shown the directions. There are four directions: east, west, north and south. These four directions, in between directions are the corners. So north and east between direction is the northeast, and north west in between direction is the northwest corner, and also southwest direction in between direction is the corner southwest corner, and also south and east between direction is the southeast direction, it is corner southeast corner. So we have four directions and four corners: east, west, north, south are the directions, northeast, northwest, southwest, southeast, these are the corners. Now we are discussing the village. By using of the directions and corners we can find the directions and corners of a village. So in a village we have seen different houses, roads, lakes, mountains. So based on the directions and corners we can identify the directions and corners of a village or an area. In village there is a limit of the village. In that limit we can see the four sides. So the four directions has the limit of a village, that is called the boundaries of the village. The limit the village is in different directions, that are called the boundaries of the village. So the directions and corners help to identify roads, building, school, post office, bus stand, fields, lakes. So in the same way we can know the direction and corners, as you can identify any place or reach anybody's house, and if you want to go anywhere you can know the places. So let us see the mandal. All the villages constitute a mandal. A group of villages constitute a mandal. Population of a mandal is around few thousands. In village thousands of population and less than 1,000 population are seen. So these all villages constitute a mandal. The mandal population around few thousands. In every mandal there are offices like Mandal Praja Parishad, Tahsildar office, Department of Agriculture and Electricity office, and also primary health center and police stations. These are offices we can see in the mandal level. So all the village peoples they come to mandal for different needs. In this way these mandals constitute of a group of village. Okay children, remaining district level also constitute different offices. So that offices are collectorate office, Jilla Parishad office, district hospital, and many such public institutions is in the district. headquarter. So the people from villages of all the mandals in the district visit the district headquarter for various works. In our Telangana there are 31 districts. So each district has its map and all the important places, offices and the institutions of the district are indicated in the map. In this way we can find the directions and corners of a village and mandal and district. Okay children, thank you very much.